And I think you all are done with your homework which I have given in the last session, right? If you have not done your homework, please complete your homework of your exercises. Today, I am here to teach you a new lesson called Changes Around Us. What is change, children? I have taught you in the first lesson only. What is change? Changes which does not remain same. It keeps changing. It is different. It will be not same. And I have given many examples for changes. One example I have given about your class. Last year, in which class you were studying? You were studying in second standard. And this year, in which class you are studying? You are studying in third standard. This is a change. And I have given one more example about your weather. Weather will be changing daily, right? Morning you will have very sunny, very hot, and sometimes it will rain, and sometimes it will be drowsy. And I have told that example also, right, children? And today, all of you open your page number 27. So your lesson is Changes Around Us. And today we will cover 3 topics in Change Around Us. Children, one is school, neighborhoods, and transport system. How the changes are happening in these places. Now, see, you can find in your textbook, answer these questions. They have given a small activity, children. Write today's date, take your pencil and read out the question. You will have to write the answer over the blank. Which class are you in? Which class are you studying now, children? Yes, third standard, right? Third standard in the blank. Second question. Which class were you in the last year? Which class, children? Second standard. You have to write that. So in this only you can find the difference of the change. Are the children in your class the same as the ones who were with you in the last year? No, few children would have changed, right, children? So you can write the changes which has happened over that blank. Do you have new teacher? Yes, last year some other teacher was teaching social studies. But this year, new teacher is teaching social subject. So you can write that in the blank. So I'll repeat the example for you to make little easier, children. When you're going to a new class in the school, how things are changing in the school. When you're going to a new class in the school, what will happen, children? You'll get new friends. Correct? New teacher. New teachers, new subjects. And your classroom will all see. In second standard, you may be sitting in another class, different class. When you are going to third standard, you will be moved to another class. And you will get new friends, yes, obviously, because old children will be going to some other school, or new children will be coming to our school. So you will be getting new friends, new teachers. The same teachers will not be teaching you. The teachers will also change and subjects also will change. See, children, when changes happen, it takes little time to adjust. You cannot mingle with your friends so easily. It will take some time. Now, all of you turn your page number to 28. So you can see in your book in schools what and all changes will happen. See, the first point talks about the number of pupils in the school changes. Usually the number increases. Yes, the number of the students will be always increased because few children will change their school. Last year they would have studied in Little Flower. Now they have joined in our Bangalore International Academy. So this is a change which happens in the school. School gets new building when there is more number of students. So what will happen, children? They build a new building. This is type of change. Computer are used. See, first of all, how we were using computers? We used to go to computer lab. We used to work over there. But now we can use our computers in our classroom only. Correct, children? So this is type of change. Teachers will also change. As I told, how teachers will change. Few teachers few old teachers will go, few new teachers will be joining in our school. So our teachers will also change. Some school open another branch. See, I have a very good example for this. Our Bangalore International Academy has 3 branches. One is in Jayanagar, one is in Whitefield, one is in some other place. So this is a change. So you have small activities, children. Or if you take your pencil and tick here, your school has probably changed as well. See, you can find lot of changes from the date when you joined till now. So what you have to do, take your rough note, and you have to, after the session, you have to do this homework, children. What all changes you are finding in your class school, okay? And you have to draw. One more textbook activity is given in the same page, children. We'll do this later, and you can see a pink color box. All of you read along with me, children. In 1901, Rabindranath Tagore started a school in Shantiniketan with just 5 boys. Today, Shantiniketan is a big institution where many boys and girls go for higher studies. Who is Rabindranath Tagore, children? Yes, he's a great poet, he's a great writer, he's a great singer also. So what he has done in the year 1901, he has started a very small school with only 5 boys. No girls also, only 5 boys. Later on, how the changes happened. Now, in the name of Shantiniketan, many institutions, many branches are there. Many children are going for higher studies. When it has started with pre-nursery, but later on, it has improved till higher classes. So this is a big change. You can easily know the difference of change. Change means something does not remain same. So hope you all understood how changes are happening in school, right? Now moving into the neighborhoods. What is neighborhood, children? What is all you can see in your neighborhood? So turn your page now, page to 29. You can see neighborhoods. You can see the picture, right? What and all you can see in your neighborhood? What is neighborhood? The area around your home or school is your neighborhood. You can find, see, if this is your home, you can find many buildings, many shops, many parks, restaurants, banks, stalls and all, right? So, how changes are happening? Now you are going to see how changes are happening in neighborhood. For example, near your house, if there is any restaurant, how changes is happening? When the restaurant is very small, later on getting improved, it will become big. So this is type of change. Few times you can see a building, but next day you cannot see that building. It will be demolished. That is also a change, children. So many changes takes place in neighborhood. It will not be same. Today it will be in some way, and tomorrow it will be in some way. For that, example is also given there, children. See how the neighborhood in Delhi was 100 years ago and how it is today. In older days, it was very silent with only trees and little houses. But now it is very busy city where we get a lot of pollution, sound and all. See, this is the picture shows how the changes this happened for before and now. So changes that have happened in neighborhood and in your school. This is how the changes will be happened, children. Now we are going to see about transport system. So all of you turn to the page number 30. So all of you take your pencil and take. You have to do this, children. Now only you don't do. After this pandemic get lighter, you can do, children. It will make you to understand very easily how changes are happening. I'll read out for you. Make groups and talk to people who have been in the neighborhood for a long time, such as shopkeepers. Ask them questions like the ones given below. You can go to the shopkeeper and you can tell them, we have got one activity from our school. So you can ask this question. How long have you been here? Has the name of the neighborhood remained the same or has it changed? You can ask it. You can write this, children. Now we are going to see transport systems. What is transport, children? Yes, you are right. Transport is something vehicles which are used to help us to transport, to move from one place to another. It can be people, it can be goods. There are many different types of transport also, children. One is land transport, water transport, and air transport. How changes have happened in the transport? In older days, we had vehicles to transport children. No vehicles. We don't have car, we don't have bike, we don't have train and all. How our ancient people used to travel, children? They used to travel, walk with their legs to reach from one place to another. And with the help of animals only, they used to carry their goods from one place to another. Later on, the wheel has been invented. After the wheel has been invented, it made little easier where they introduced cart. Hope you have seen the pictures of cart, right? In our olden days, you can ask your grandparents. They used carts, bullock carts. With the help of cows, they used carts to travel goods or people from one place to animal. Later on, cycle. Small things has been invented. Later on, cycle has invented where it makes our transport very easier to move from one place to another. Later on, buses, trains. How we are traveling from school to home, children? We are using your school bus to travel from home to school. And so you all know, you all have studied about transport. Land transport, water transport, air transport. You all know what all vehicles goes on land, what are all the vehicles goes on water, and what are all the vehicles goes on the air. If you turn to the page number 32, you can see the pictures. What are land transport, what are water transport, and air transport. See, train goes on the land. Where it is? Goes with the help of track. Metro has been introduced earlier only. An auto rickshaw, where it has 3 wheels, it goes on the land. Car also goes on the land. Children, now in this vehicles only, you have lot of changes, children. First of all, there was only one brand car. But now how many brands of car you can see on the road? There are many brands car, not only car, bikes also, bicycles also. There is many changes which you can see in your day-to-day life. Even in water transport also you can see, air transport also you can see, children. Now, how this changes, with this changes, what all things are affecting us. So if you see, page number 32, down the yellow box you can see pollution caused by modern transport. After this modern transport, what are things that happen to children? We are getting noise pollution. Yes or no? Lot of sound when you are going on the road or when you are staying at home. You are hearing lot of sound, right? You are getting noise pollution. You are getting air, dirt or air when you are going out. Lot of smoke. Only you can see. So with the help of air, you are getting polluted. You are getting air pollution. So how we have to avoid this pollution, children? We have to follow ancient people, how they used to do. Not every time, at least to reduce the pollution, we have to start walking. We have to start controlling pollution. So, in the page number 33, you can see what all changes has happening. Now, just we'll recall what is neighborhood. What is neighborhood, children? The area around your surroundings. You can see the area around your surroundings talks about buildings, hotels, restaurants, tea stalls, or any cobbler or a tailor who is near your homes. What does cobbler do? He mends your shoes. What does tailor do? He or she stitches your clothes. You can see all this around your surrounding. Yes, right, children? Yes. In the page number 33, you can see the activity also. Now, today you can do along with me. So, take your pencils, write today's date over here, fill in the blanks. When you go to a new class, many things, what will happen, children? Yes, when you are going and roadside stalls can be part of a, what children? Neighborhood. Where you can see all this? You can see only in your neighborhood. So what is spelling of neighborhood? Neighborhood. All of you write this in that blank. And the next question, the dash was very important invention. What is very important invention, children? Yes, it is big. After this invention only, it make our day-to-day life very easier when we can travel from one place to another immediately. But in the olden period, without knowing how we were traveling, children, it takes a lot of time to travel from one place to another place. So you have to write wheel on that blank. Early transport was not as some transport today. What you have to write? Early transport was not as modern as some transport today. Yes, they were not so modern. After now, in your period only, you are getting a lot of transport, right, children? So, turn to your page number 34. Choose the right answers. More than one answer may be correct. You will have a lot of, you have got 4 options, children. In that, at least 2 or 3 will be right. So, you have to read the question properly and mark. A school can changes in the following ways. How school can changes, children? I thought you more people, more number of students can be joined. That is a change, right? You have to tick that. New teachers, yes, you have studied, right? Change, how school changes, you will be getting new teachers. And D, option D, new buildings. When the number of students increases, what they'll do? They'll build a new building. Now second question. So the answer first question is 3. 3 options. More pupils, D, new teachers, and D, new buildings. Second question. There are some things found in a neighborhood. What and all you can see, children? You can see shops, roadside stalls, and bus stops. Please circle or tick that. And third question. These are the types of power used to move a vehicle. What are the power used to use, children? Petrol and diesel. With the petrol and diesel only you can run your motorbike, car. Correct, children? You have to take that steam. Steam is used to for what? For ships and electricity. Now, children, I wanted to give you homework. So all of you take match the following and put these words in the right columns. C and D will be your homework. So D, I just explained. You have got all the words here. What you have to do is, you have to write what all land transport. You have to write that in land transport. What are vehicles you find in the water? You have to write in the water transport. And what all the vehicles you see on the air, you have to write on the air transport. Okay, children, and answer the following questions will be sent to people pod shortly. Now, before I end my session, let me just recall what you have learned today. You have learned changes around us, correct? And you have learned what is changed. From the first lesson, you are learning what is change. Changes which is not remaining same. And where all changes are happening. You, as I said, changes may happen in places, people, around me, anywhere. Things also can be changed. If at home also many things will be changed. Children, if you are having 2 bedrooms at your home, same things will not be in the same rooms. In one room, cot will be big. In another room, cot will be very small. So in your home, you can find a lot of changes. And now you have seen changes in schools, changes in neighborhoods, and changes in transport system. How the changes are happening in school. You have seen new classes, new friends, new teachers, and new subjects. And in neighborhood, what and all you can see restaurants, hotels, in places, buildings, flats, and a cobbler shop or tailor shop, anything around your area, any things which is around your surrounding is called as neighborhood. And you have seen transport systems. There are 3 types of transport system: land, water, and air. In ancient period, there was no transport system to go from one place to another. Later on, once the wheel has been invented, you are starting to use vehicles to transport. So vehicles to travel from one place to another, it can be for people, not to transport goods from one place to another place. Hope you all have understood what I have taught today, children. Then after this session, all of you open your book at least for half an hour, read. Practice loud reading where it improves your vocabulary and pronunciation. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe.